Hey, in this video I'll show you how to open an Excel workbook from Outlook and then run the VBA code in that Excel workbook from Outlook. So I'm just going to step through the code right now. I have the developer Visual Basic open in Outlook right now. I'm in module, and so I'm just going to press F8 and step through. So this line just creates an Excel, and the next line is str sheet. That just references the Excel book that you want to open, and then it sets the variable str sheet equal to the path, and then this actually opens it. So I'm going to skip this line, and right now the Excel book is open but it's not visible. So I'm just going to set the workbook equal to application Excel. Right up here, dim Excel as Excel application, that's a variable. And then here's the workbook, set to excel.workbook, and then worksheet set to excel.worksheet. So we're going to set the workbook to this, the active workbook, and we're going to set the sheet to the first sheet. You could alternatively write in double quotes on both sides, sheet 1, which is the actual sheet name, or you could just put like a 2 if you want the second sheet on the workbook, but we'll just leave it as 1. Press F8. So this activates the worksheet, and then this line, it makes Excel visible. So now Excel's visible that we had opened. And then this will just make range A1 equal to 1, so you can see it's working. And then this final line, the current active workbook, wkb.application.run, and then it runs in module 1, it runs the subprocedure code 1. So let's go into the Visual Basic editor for this thing. So as you can see, here's code 1 right here, and it's in module 1. So what this is going to do is going to run this. This is just a message box that's going to appear. So I'm just going to press F8. So as you can see right now, it just goes into the Excel thing, and then I press F8 again, F8 again. So yeah, so we just made an Excel program run from Outlook. So you can technically set your Outlook to auto save down attachments and then execute Excel programs from Outlook just when you open up your Outlook. Cool thing about that is you can just get reminders about holidays or whatever you need to be reminded about, and you can just open up Outlook and have all these programs saved down and execute. Thank you for watching my video.